Hello, I am Priyanka and I will be presenting a Power BI report designed to analyze sales performance. As you can see over here in the title, Sales Performance Analysis Report. So, focusing on key metrics such as sales amount and gross margin amount, which is GM amount over here mentioned across different categories and geographical regions. So the main objective here is to visually highlight a profitability performance by applying color coded formatting to the GM person metric across different visuals over here. GM person metrics as in gross margin percent. So low gross margin areas in yellow, losses in red, and high margin success areas in green. And having said that, the report is now divided into three main sections: a column chart for category analysis, a map for geographical sales distribution, and a detailed cross tab for product performance metrics. And apart from these charts, there is a header section over here consisting of slicers, allowing users to filter data by a specific date range. You can just specify the date range over here from start date to end date, or by reseller or customer, and geographical regions, country, city, and state, which will ensure that the data displayed over in the charts, map, and in the cross tab is relevant to the selected parameters. So starting with the column chart, the, so this displays the sales amount and gross margin amount for different product categories. So sales amount is represented by gray columns, while GM amount is shown in green. And as you can see, each column includes data labels for clarity, with GM amount labels changing color based on GM percent. So yellow if less than 10% and green if more than 50%. And this is all about the column chart. And the next is our sales amount by geography. So the map over here visualizes sales distribution across different geographical areas. And you can see the bubbles are in green, blue, right? So blue is the default color. So sales amount is basically represented by bubbles with color coding similar to the column chart as mentioned earlier. So yellow for gross margin percent below 10% and green you can see over here for above 50%. So we can actually visualize the success rates and the losses as well. So the next visual over here is product performance metrics by price brackets. So this section provides a detailed breakdown of product performance. So the products are categorized into price brackets, allowing for granular analysis of sales performance. So the key metrics, as you can see here, include sales amount, sales quantity, total cost, GM amount, GM percent, AUR, which is average unit retail, AUC, which is average unit cost, and PPP sales, which is the percent penetration to parent sales. And additionally, GM percent, which is gross margin percent, is conditionally formatted red if below 0, yellow if less than 10%, and green if above 50%. So, as apart from the GM percent, even AUC is conditionally formatted. So, if AUC is greater than AUR, it will be highlighted in red. So now you can see AUC is less than AUR. So it is not highlighted. And in addition of all these three main visuals, so in addition to our basically to our main report page, which is this, our Power BI report includes a drill through page designed for more detailed analysis of product performance. So this feature enhances the report's interactivity and allows users to explore data at a more granular level. So if I can demo over here, if you it is applicable for the column chart as well as this cross tab. So this is the category, right? Bikes. So you can just right click over here and you can see the drill through page, product details. of the bikes. So this is the category bikes. It will cut this. So this page is similar to the main page, but it consists data in a more granular level. So it will, as we clicked bikes over here, so it consists all the datas of bikes, the product, model, SKU, subcategory, and to go back, we can just click over here. Yeah, now we are back to our main page. Right. So now as I mentioned, it is applicable here as well as in our cross tab. So this is the product, let's say all-purpose bike stand or any other product we can mention over here. Drill through this is product details. We can see the product, what is its category, subcategory, model, CQ, and the total over here. So this is how it works. And so basically the products are further segmented, allowing users to see performance across different tires. And now if we go back, this is our main page. So that's about this sales performance analysis report. Thank you.